Hello folks, we are doing the Trickster by Radiohead in this one for Kai over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for your support, sir. This is a very cool one, really nice chord voicings in this one. Guitar wise, I'm using the new Cream Tea Crossfire. This has got pickups that you can switch out. Do check out my demo for this, it's absolutely brilliant, this thing. I'm using PAF style pickups, but I'll show you my clean tone, right? Using the coil split on the bridge pickup to make it sound a bit thinner, and then I'm adding the Dr. Robert by Atclam to give it just a little bit of grit. You can go crazy with the treble if you really want to get it close. You know, for all that stuff. I'll play Tom's riff slowly first and then we'll break it down because there's a little bit going on. We have this. So first of all, the chords, right? We've got like a classic G minor shape that Radiohead do, right? So you've got your second finger, muted, A string, and then those three strings there. I don't think the E string rings out. Then chromatically, you just move the root note down, so then you go to a C shape with the root on the 6th fret and down 1 fret. Okay, the rhythm part though has a that thing going on, right? But you interdisperse those 8th notes with this. The first pattern then, which you repeat for this part, all 8th notes, but you're going to play like that. Slowly again. Then the root note goes down 1 fret. I use my first finger here. And down 1 fret again. Like that. Then you go up here. Again. Little finger goes on the 6th fret there. Then you move it down, right, on the 4 and. So you go early to the D. And with that. Pretty cool, right? Then the whole thing together would be. Johnny's part comes in over the top, which we'll go through quickly. It goes. You got that for the first 2 parts. So you're just playing. But with just some open strings. And then another 2 times. 1. You got that little run. So you play 1. guess the next bit would be the chorus. You've got this. Back into that, right? Really cool little kind of turnaround part. And there's a bar of 3/4 in there as well, if you didn't notice. So you've got 2 bars of 4/4, and we play this. This is like a C minor. It's like some sort of weird A chord. Lovely voicing. You just basically, the second and third fingers I would on the top string, 3rd fret, the next string down, 4th fret, and your first finger comes over onto the 3rd fret, right, onto the C. And if you'll probably find that naturally mutes the D. Then you just move this first finger up 1 string. It's still playing all 5 strings, right? To a G. And that's the bar of 3/4 when you go to the G, right? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then just a G chord for 2 bars, right? Then back in into that bit. There's another guitar line over the top which plays 1. You know, something like that. So with the root note, where he goes there. Then we've got this sort of middle section, 2 guitar parts, and you have do that once round. The second time it branches off after this part, and you go to a C. Love that. Again, you're just playing that 5 chord there, but with the open G. And that, I think, rings out throughout this part. So you have first finger up 1 fret, 2nd fret. And I use my 3rd and 4th. Down again. Around one more time. This time you go to C. So that's that part. That's pretty cool. The other guitar part's just arpeggiating with the same stuff, right? So you've got and then when you go down again, you play. So again. You go around that again. But then you go into a more 8th note strummy stuff for the last 4 bars, okay? And we've got this little lull in the song, and you're basically just going to play the same chords you play for the main riff, but you let them ring out. So you have 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And around again. So 2 bars of the G minor. When you go to the F sharp, you play. So you move your third finger from the 3rd fret on the G down 1 fret, right? F in the bass with the same phrasing at the top. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. To your C shapes. You go around that twice, pretty straightforward. Then and you build that up then into the outro. And you end on the G. You do the outro part 4 times and Johnny's doing a load of noodling. And that is it. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.